What's up everyone? Today I want to give you a sound test of 6 different tactile switches. Ever since I first started keyboards, I was a linear switch user. I tried the Glorious Pandas were my first tactile switch, but I did not like those at all, so I only purchased linear switches. Recently I tried the Kinetic Labs Salmons switches and absolutely fell in love with them, so I have been on a huge tactile binge. For today's sound test, we're going to be looking at the Everglide Oreos, which have been lubed with Tribosis 3203 and filmed with Tecsee films. The AEBoards Naevys, which are lubed with Tribosis 3203 and no films. The Gateron Ink Kangaroos, which are completely stock. The Ethereal Panda switches, which are lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0 and have no films on them. The Tecsee Neapolitans, which are lubed with Tribosis 3203 and have Tecsee films, and the Kinetic Labs Penguins, which are lubed with Tribosis 3203 and have no films on them. Take a listen to these switches and let me know down in the comments which one you think is the best sounding switch or which one you like the most. They are all going to be tested on this Acrylic Tofu 60 with a brass plate and PBT keycaps.